Hey, what's up? Happy Friday. This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Over the last several days, we've been talking about all the really great features Dubsado has to offer, and there's just one more that I want to cover before we start diving into the program, and that is their free trial. Their free trial is amazing. It's a full feature access to the program. You can build out your forms, your templates, your contracts, your workflows, your automations. You can do everything that you can do in a paid account in their free trial. And the only limitation is the number of clients or leads that you have in your account. And that's maxed at 3. So like I said, you can build everything out ahead of time before you even have to pay for a subscription. It's really awesome. So today I just wanted to show you how to go ahead and sign up for your free trial. So what you'll do is first go to dubsado.com, that's D-U-B-S-A-D-O, and come down here to sign up for the trial. Then just start filling in your information. Obviously, I already have my own account for my business because I use Dubsado myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set up a new account from the beginning just to kind of walk everyone through what this is going to look like, what they can expect, and what questions they're going to have to answer to get into it. So first name, last name, coupon referral code. Anyone who has a paid Dubsado account has their own affiliate link and referral code. So you can ask around and get one of those if you need it, or you can use mine, Sarah Lee Day. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you 20% off your first month or your first year subscription with Dubsado. Now, if you don't have that code or you're not ready to put it in there yet, don't worry about it. It's not necessary when you're signing up for the free account. But when it's time to upgrade to the paid account, that's when you'll definitely want to add that so you can get that discount. How did you hear about us? This is just Dubsado wanting to know for their own marketing purposes. I'm going to put Dubsado Tidbits here. That's just how you heard about Dubsado. Email, you want to make sure you put in a valid email address so that Dubsado can contact you with notifications about your Dubsado account. And then password, obviously you want to make sure that this is a secure password that you're going to remember and be able to use to keep your account safe. Then you want to agree to the Dubsado terms and conditions, privacy policy, and cancellation policy. Again, definitely read these before you sign up. That way you know what terms you're agreeing to and what the expectations are for using the Dubsado account. And then just click sign up. All right, welcome to your new Dubsado brand. Something to know about Dubsado is part of their terminology. Each company that you have in your account is called a brand. So if you have multiple companies that you're running or you're a part of multiple companies, you have access to multiple companies in Dubsado, they're all going to be called brands. That's just the term that Dubsado uses. So when you set up our brand, it's really just the company. So brand name, it started off with just defaulting to the name that I put in. I'm going to change this to Tidbits Innovations, just a fake company that I'm setting this up for testing and tutorial purposes, but you will obviously put in your own company there. Upload a logo. So if you have a logo for your business, you'll want to upload it here. If you don't worry about it. You can upload that later. And you can change that. All of these settings can be changed at a later date as well if you need to. Then put in your business address. And all of this information it's possible that this will be client facing. So make sure that it's something your clients are going to recognize if you ever use this for any of your client communications. And we'll get into more of that in a later video, but this information is all based on your business. And then just save. All right, so now we have our free Dubsado trial account. You can see here you have 3 remaining clients on your trial. You can click here to subscribe when you're ready. In a future video, we will go over what you're seeing here, what this dashboard looks like, all of the features within Dubsado, all of the settings that we need to set up in order to get it ready to actually use with clients. But for now, we've just signed up, we've got our account, and we are ready to move on to learning about Dubsado. So that'll come up in the next videos, and I will see you then.